We made it to this is my mom's side of the family's land. It's really nice. Check it out. It's all, that's, I think it's rice.
Yeah.
This is rice. It's not ready to harvest yet. There's people over there that are harvesting right now. They're not harvesting the rice, just cutting it and keeping it for later. This is, I need to get them. Oh, these are mango trees. There's lots of them. There's tons of mangoes out here. I'll show you. You can tell them the mangoes just like the style of the leaves. And then up there like banana trees. Oh yeah. You go. Nam talo. That's potato tree. Yeah. But dong with potato. Yeah, potato. Yeah. Here's the mangoes. There's tons of mangoes, but these are still sour. They're not ripe. And then there's like different types of mangoes too. I need spy. He doesn't know. But there's tons of them. There's like yellow ones, green ones. The green ones are good too. You can eat the green ones. This is the flower. You can't really see it. Oh, see how it's so still. Whew. It's not hot at all today. Here we are. This is the back of the house. Here's a banana tree. Yes, that's how bananas grow. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Any chết vậy? Bone. They're like the baby bananas. Those ones like the baby ones. You gotta be careful. It's like sometimes there's spiders in here. Oh, man, cái bọ. Nè, ma. There's a flower. There's a flower. Anh ấy pull it. Anh pull it. Anh đâm á. Anh mua này.
Chanh chi nữa nghe. Anh pull đi. Bây giờ ở đây nhầm.
It's not poisonous. But you don't eat it.
Ôi, phải đâm mình tên á.
You gotta check this out. How many people are in this kitchen? This is every kitchen's different. He's going to help out. Oh.